Well, hello there everyone. This is Mark Ozzie Bell and you're watching Arizona Tourist. And today I am here at the beautiful Pavilion'S in Scottsdale, Arizona. And today they are having the rock and roll car show. So this is every Saturday afternoon now. And this is the first one since the pandemic. They haven't had this for about a year and a half. They used to have this every Saturday before the pandemic, and then of course with the pandemic they had to shut it down, and now it's going again. So that's great, huh? So let's walk around and check out some cars here. Look at this blue one, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's the Roadrunner. Very nice. Look at the front license plate. Beep beep. Cool. Yeah, I've always liked these Roadrunners. Very nice. Wow, the interior's perfect. Look at that. Roadrunner. Sweet. And then we got this one just pulled in. Awesome. Very nice. Cool. Alright, then we've got old pickup truck over here. Okay. Couple trucks. And looks like we got some of the rat rods. Those are cool. Then what do we have here? Not sure what that is. The little mini cars. Those are neat. Oh wow, look at this one. Ooh boy. That's a beauty. Wow. Oh, that's got a Corvette motor in it. Sweet.
She has a car, I guess. She told me she had a car. Damn, look at that vet.
Yeah, that's awesome. Corvette motor in there. Very nice. The old Chevy, 55 Chevy. Sweet. And we've got the Chevy SS. Nice. Very cool. Oh wow, check this out. That is really cool. Awesome. Wow, that is sweet. Chrome. Look at that thing, all chrome. Yeah, so this is free. Like I said, this is at the Pavilion'S in Scottsdale, Arizona. And come check out some cars. There's a cool car. Oh wow. Nice. The VW over there. Red pickup truck. And look at this thing. Boy, that's gangsta. Look at that thing. That is really cool. I like that. Wow, that is really cool. Looks like a car you'd see in a movie, huh? One of those old movies. Okay, guys, well, like I said, I'm here at the Pavilion'S in Scottsdale, Arizona, and this is free. Come see some cars every Saturday afternoon from 3 to 8. Alright, bye for now. See you all in the next video. Bye.